Dobson units are used to measure the thickness of option A, troposphere. It is not used to measure the thickness of troposphere. The troposphere, which is the lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere, is measured in kilometers. Hence, it is incorrect. Option B, CFCs. CFCs, that is chlorofluorocarbons, are measured in parts per million or other concentration units, but not Dobson units. Hence, it is also incorrect. Option C, stratosphere. It is also incorrect because the stratosphere thickness is also measured in kilometers. Option D, ozone. Now, Dobson units are used to measure the total amount of ozone in the Earth's atmosphere, particularly in the stratosphere. And one Dobson unit represents a layer of ozone that would be 0.01 millimeters thick under standard temperature and pressure. Hence, it is the correct option.